Happy Tuesday. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday with Mrs. Pelletier. We are going to be using some word problems in math. Please pause your video and make sure you have these supplies. You will need the following colors: a green, a blue, a red, a purple, and an orange. You're going to need your whiteboard, an eraser, and a marker. If you have an extra one, feel free to grab it in case you need it. But these are the things you're going to need, please. So pause your video and grab your materials. Alrighty, we are going to be working on word problems today, and the objective is I can break apart and add word problems with counters. So we're going to be breaking apart and adding word problems with our counters. Make sure you grab those too. I'm sorry I didn't have those out at the beginning. Okay, so we have our questions here. Mrs. Pelletier is going to do a few of these with you. And then you have your own set that I'm going to upload your picture. Now, when we do this, we use our cube method. So we always circle our numbers, underline our question, box our math action word, get rid of our junk, and identify our answer. So let's read together. Kip sees 3 bugs. Ben sees 5 bugs. How many bugs did they see? So I circled my numbers in blue. In orange, I'm going to underline my question. And the easiest part, remember friends, go from the question mark back to the capital. If you're not sure where to start, how many bugs did they see? The how is the question word. Box my math action. Okay. She sees 3 bugs and he sees 5 bugs. How many? Many is going to be my action words. How many? And that's going to be addition. I know I need to put those two numbers together. I need to put those numbers together. So I get rid of my junk. So everything that I didn't identify is now junk. Okay? So I have 3, 5, and plus. So we're going to write our equation. Our first number is 3 plus 5 equals blank. All right, friends, I'm going to need my counters. Both colors. So I have 3 reds and I have 5 yellows. All right, let's count them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. And now, because I have a words problem, I need to decide I'm talking about bugs. If I didn't list that, I might not know what I'm talking about. So I can come back here to my paper and add 8 bugs. Very good job. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Coming back over here. When starting with my blue. Pam has 2 green socks and 4 red socks. How many socks in all? Okay. So I circled my numbers. I've underlined my question. How many? Remember that how is the question word. My boxing of my math action word. There's 3 clues in here. And we've talked about means plus. How many? Because we're putting those together. So I know I need a number. My answer has to be a number. And in all is also another clue word that means addition. So putting those together is plus. Then I can get rid of all the rest of my junk, because that's not important to my sentence anymore. Okay, so starting 2 plus 4 equals blank, and I'm talking about socks. Remember, I have to identify what I'm talking about. So I'm going to have, it said, oops, wrong color. Sorry, friends. It said I had 4 red and 2 green. So counting together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a total of 6 socks. Don't forget to keep it on your paper. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can always use your regular paper. Okay? Erasing. I'm going to leave this one here, and I'm going to go to the next one. I want you to see how you're going to list them to turn them into your teacher, because you're going to show her a list. Okay? Starting with blue. There are 4 kids, then 4 more kids come. How many kids are there? So I uncircled my numbers with my blue. What color do I underline my question, friends? Yes, orange. How many kids are there? Remember that how many is my magic word. My math action word, looking at more. More means plus. I'm getting more, so my number's gonna get bigger. And I can get rid of all of my junk. Okay? Transferring my information over to my whiteboard. So I have 4 plus 4 more equals blank kids. Got it, friends? All right, making my model. I have 4 and I have 4. Counting them out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, don't start over. Keep counting. So 4 kids plus 4 more kids is the same as 8 kids. Okay, take away your counters, but leave your equation. Alrighty? I'm going to do 2 more with you, friends. Starting with my blue. Liz has 3 hens. She gets 2 more. How many hens does Liz have? Okay, so I circled in blue. Underline my question. Very good. That's my next spot. Make sure you use your orange. Box my math action word. Think about this. What word tells me if I'm going to add or subtract? Very good. More. More meant my number was getting bigger, so that means I'm going to do an addition. Use the plus sign. And I can get rid of all the other junk. These are the things that are not used. Okay, so transferring my equation, I have 3 plus 2 equals blank hens. Make sure you talk about what we're adding. We're adding hens. Okay, so I have 3 and I have 2. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a total of 5 hens. Don't forget to write your answer down, friends. Okay? I'm removing my counters. Down here. So I have 5 fish swim and 2 more fish swim. How many fish swim in all? So I circled in blue. I underline in orange. I box in red. And then I get rid of my junk. Okay? And I transfer my equation. So I have 5 plus 2 equals blank fish. Alrighty, counters out, friends. I have 5 plus 2. And I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had a total of 7 fish. Okay, I'm going to read this last one to you, and then I want you to pause the video and I want you to try it on your own. Dan sees 4 ants. Ben sees 5 ants. How many ants did they see? Okay, pause your video. Circle your numbers. Underline your question. Box your math action word. And get rid of your junk. Okay, are you ready? So you should have circled 4 and 5. You should have underlined how many did they see. You should have boxed how many. I know I need a number, and then my number is going to get bigger. And I should have gotten rid of my junk. Okay, over here on your equation, you should have had 4 plus 5 equals 9 ants. All right, nice job, my friends. So we've just been practicing. I can break apart and add word problems with counters. So we've broken apart our word problems. We're adding our word problems, and we've used our counters. All right, I'm going to attach this sheet for you. Here's your picture. I want you to get your parents to help you read if you need it. If not, use your skills. Circle your numbers, underline your question, box your math action word, get rid of your junk, and use your counters. You're gonna write your equations just like we did right here and submit your whiteboard with all of your work to your teacher. Good luck, friends. Have a great day.